Hi friends from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Let's talk about my YouTube channel and contents. Ito po. So number one, Pag-ibig Loans and Benefits. Number two, GSIS Loans and Benefits. Number three, Employees Concerns and Issues. Number four, Students Concerns and Issues. And number five, Business Plan Ideas or Templates. So yan yung mga content natin friends kasi government employee tayo, alam natin ang about pag-ibig, about GSIS, and HR officer tayo or admin officer tayo before. Kaya alam natin yung mga employees concerns and issues like mga leaves and other benefits ng empleyado. Students concern and issues and business plan, ideas and templates, alam natin yan kasi professor tayo sa isang school. Alright? So keep watching my YouTube channel, friends. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and two thumbs up.